A trio of time travelers prepare to embark on a dangerous mission, their faces filled with determination. They emerge in the heart of historical chaos, where the relic is rumored to be hidden amidst the deafening roar of the crowd. Betrayal and danger loom as they discover the relic's guardians are not what they seem in the fiery chaos. In a graceful dance with history, they uncover a clue to the relic's whereabouts beneath the facade of sophistication. Secrets unravel in the smoky haze as they confront a suspicious figure who may hold the key to unlocking the relic's power. Technology and treachery intertwine as they race against time, pursued by a mysterious organization with their own agenda. Amidst the chaos, a moment of tranquility reveals a vital clue hidden in the beauty of nature, guiding their next move. Sacrifice and courage are tested as they confront the ultimate choice that could alter the course of history forever. The final showdown approaches as they stand on the edge of time, ready to face their destiny and protect the timeline at all costs.